Hello traders, let's analyze the heat map of Nifty 50. So it helps us to view how the Nifty 50 is going and as well as overall for the Bank Nifty as well. Heat maps tells us how to trade in the F&O and equity as well. So analyzing the top important stocks in the heat map. So I'm just going for the HDFC Bank, which is currently at 1889. So I'm just seeing the in the market. I'm just going for a higher time frame in the daily analysis. Okay, so for the daily time frame, I'm just marking the key important levels. So this is a key important level. So the resistance is, I'm marking in green. So this is one is a R1 like 1933. This needs to be in, okay, I'm just marking here. So and this is the R2 which is in 1955. So when I go for the support, I'm changing the color here. This is the S1. S1 is around 1824. And whereas the S2, right? S2 is around here. So S2 is 1774. Okay. So what happened exactly is in the HDFC, it's just gave a huge gap over here. This is, I'm marking over here in this color. So market has to retest. If I mark the important level of this, it has to be taken some reversal. Okay, so the key important level, I'm just taking this. Okay, no. So I'm expecting market needs to come in this manner, like it is in this. Okay, I'm expecting this may be a huge reversal point. Let's see this support, which is around S1. So S1 is around 1824. So if it is breaks down, because we can expect market can may break further, but it has been fully filled. If it is come down, you can expect in this zone market can come up to this level. Let's see whether it breaks the S2. Okay. And going for the next important stock is ICICI Bank, which falls around 3.25%. I'm just taking all the things in a single click. Okay, and we have to focus on ESP, and mainly we need to focus on the IndusInd Bank, because it's the bank where we got a huge news for the losses. Okay, so actually they may say if the losses may occur due to these things, but technically in the chart, see, market has to come and take this demand. Exactly, it has taken this demand, which is over here. So see, market has taken. So I'm expecting further market has to take this level and has to go back, like over tapping here, and has to go back. So I'm expecting a good move over the Indus India Bank, but it can happen in like it can happen in the sense like it can move in the choppy side. So this needs to be comes down, and whereas this liquidity has to be taken further. So these are the liquidities which lie over here, which is a trend line liquidity. For this we will be analyzing from the price action side the important levels of resistance and support. This is a key important resistance where R1 is around 856, and whereas the R2, which here, even if it goes higher, it has to comes down for the taking the demand. So whereas the R2 is 939, okay, and whereas the levels of the S1 is around 710, and whereas the S2, this level, this is a key level which mitigates and acts as a good demand zone, is 648. So this is the key level of Indus India Bank Limited. So when we go for the SBI, I'm just giving an overview over the SBI. So SBI over the week, it has moved in a good way, has taken this liquidity which is lies over in this zone, but in the upcoming weeks SBI has to come down, I think, for taking the demand over here. Either it has to come over this price and or else to these levels. So this acts as a huge resistance, this level, and this has a second resistance which is around 811, is the R1, act as a huge resistance, and R2 over here is 857. So I'm not giving the exact support because I'm not also has a clear picture, because due to the war it may fall very sharp. Let's see. And over the ICICI Bank, it has to come down, really it has to come down. It gives a clear picture. Let's see in the daily chart, it's loading as well. Okay, oh, it's not coming. Okay, I think I'm not sure why the ICICI Bank is not coming. I'm just going for the heat map and seeing here. So look, we have good levels over for buying or long term. So where this acts as a liquidity inducement, everything. So wait for over this zone. This is a impacting zone for demand. So which is around 1,215 2,250. So if you are focusing on a long term buy in ICICI Bank, this may act as a good demand zone. Keep watching over this demand zone and wait for the confirmation entry to buy. So this is surely a big demand zone for the ICICI Bank. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.